Hello everyone, my name is Juvia, and I would like to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us, thank you so much for choosing to come by and check us out. If you are returning, thank you for coming back. Your girl really does appreciate it. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed to the Seasoned Beauties community, by all means, hit that button below. Become a part of the family. There's more than enough room on this family tree just for you, and we would love to have you. Now, today's video is, we're about to play an old school game, y'all. We're going to go way back and play Tic Tac Toe. And the reason we're playing Tic Tac Toe today is we're going to choose a winning line, 3 in a row, from this Juvia's Place Saharan 2 palette. Okay? Now, if you would like to see how this look was created, and I'll also put a shot of me without my glasses on up here so you can really see what it looks like. If you would like to see what the winning combination of 3 in a row was to create this look, go ahead and keep watching. Okay? Thank you so much. And if you like what you see, go ahead and hit that thumbs up. Share the video. Recreate the look. And when you do, tag me so I can see it. I really do appreciate you spending time with me on today. Okay. So what we're going to do today is play an old school game. That game is Tic Tac Toe. Okay, my eyes are already primed. Everything except the finishing touches on my eye look is done. And so what we're going to do is focus on a game of Tic Tac Toe for the eyes. And the palette I'll be using is Juvia's Place Saharan 2. And for this game, we're going to do tic-tac-toe right up the middle. Okay, so the first color we're going to start with is going to be right here, the bottom middle one. And as I said, we're going to go straight up the line. choosing to spend time with me on today. Regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time,